Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,199, 24-hour volume, we are down 45%, and market cap, we are up 0.19%. All right, so heading over to our daily chart, I am going to go into immediate short term for 2 hours as well. But if we take a look at yesterday's closing of our candlestick, we trace closer to the 50% of our fib. Again, I was hoping it would go into our original fib of the 1,000. $220, but we were just short a little bit of it. So with this incline, what we did see was a decline in the actual volume itself. So if we wanted to, or if Ethereum wanted to do a reversal per se, then the volume itself needed to back up the increase as well, but we don't see that. So for example, yesterday's close, we ended at 6,000 trades of volume, whereas the previous candlestick here on November 23rd was at 14,000. So if we wanted to close above the 23% of our fib, or even touch the 23% of our fib, the volume itself needed to match the same volume. So where we are at right now is at 5,000 for our trades. And we can see that we have this long range at the very bottom here at $1,170. We are most likely going to come down here and see a huge selling pressure because we are considered as oversold here on our RSI at 95%. A few peaks here at 89% and 92% when it triggered that selling opportunity when we saw the K line come down below the D line itself. So here's our D line here at 79%, and 95% for our K line itself is still considered as overbought, and we are going to see some heavy selling pressure going into today as well. Now, what we can see here that might help us maintain a consolidation, so price moving sideways, is the MACD indicator here. We can see the slowness and the dying down of this red momentum of our MACD indicator. And if we do see that crossover on a daily time frame of our MACD line crossing over our signal line in an uptrend, then we may be able to hold onto our position at 61% of our fib. Now heading over to immediate short term for 2 hours. Again, in yesterday's video, we did break through our parallel channel here, coming down, held on to support around our 100 moving average. We can see our volume node. If I do kind of come out here, we can see that we've generated a few nodes here at the $1,170. Now, price itself is accelerating higher. Zooming in here for you guys to see. Now, we did come down closer to that area of support, came up to a resistance, come down to a support, and then resistance again. So if we can be able to see this bearish flag pattern kind of assembling here, we're in a channel that is going up. We see a lot of higher high peaks and a lot of lower high peaks going into this channel, and essentially a bearish flag where that chart pattern is a cross down, retesting this area of support and then breaking it out an area of support. And this is going to be our node here that we are hopefully again going to hold on to that support. If we do see that break through our channel is around the 100 moving average here. We can see that the RSI itself is still continuing to go up at 59%, and possible of the MACD closing in. We can see here again, the MACD indicator is getting smaller in the histogram, smaller in the size. And if we're able to achieve a higher growth of the RSI as the MACD crosses over from the red over to the green, then we are most likely going to have bigger bodies escalating up to 61% of our fib. This is basically a resistance line that is going to be tested in the next couple of hours. And if we do see that rejection, then be very, very cautious as the price is going to come down and retest this parallel channel right here. Again, a few candlesticks here on November 23rd going into November 24th, heavy rejection around 61%. So that may be tested once again in this channel. But most importantly here, you guys, is going to be very, very crucial when the price does come down to this area of our channel. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel as well. But I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.